Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to tell you that what are some important settings to do in WordPress. So let's start our today's video. So here I will open WordPress and here you have to add the username and password. Then you will click login button. And here your WordPress is being opened. So if you remember that in previous video I tell you that what are some important plugins and what is a important theme to install in WordPress. So if you miss it, so go to my channel and watch it. So now we should come back to our topic. So first of all we will create a page. For that I will simply come on pages and I will click all pages. Now you can see here are no pages. So now we will add a new page. For that I will click this add page button and we will come on this interface. Now first we will add the title for our page. Like I will enter home. Then you will come here and from here from templates you will click default template and then you will change it with Elementor full width. Then you will click on this O, and if you want to disable this title, so you will simply click here and from here you will click disable, but I don't want, so I will don't do it. So then you will click publish. So now you can see here is a message for us. Home is now live. It means that this page is live on our website. Now we will do some settings of the WordPress. First that you will simply click this. Then you will scroll down and you will come on appearance. Then from here you will click menus. Then you will scroll down and you will click here and you will choose main menu. Then from here you will turn on automatically add new top level pages to this menu. Then you will choose main and you will choose mobile. Then you will click create menu. Then you will scroll down and from here you will click view all. Then you will add the page. You will click your page and you will click add to menu. Then you will scroll down and you will click save menu. Then you will again go to pages and you will click all pages. Then you will come here and you will click edit. Then from here you will click edit with Elementor. Then you will click let's do it. Then you will close this and here you can see here is our menu. Now every page will be shown here. You will go to settings and you will add the page to the menu, like I add the home page to the menu. So here is our Elementor interface. We will discuss it in upcoming videos. Now you will simply click it. Then you will close it. Then you will come here and from here you will click edit. Then from here you will come here and you will click view page. And this is our home page on our website. But if someone will open our website, so they will not see this home page. For that we have to do a setting. Then this home page will be set as the home page of the website. So I will minimize the browser. Then from here I will click it. Then you will come to settings and you will click reading. Then from here you will choose a static page. Then as a home page you will click here and you will select the page you want to set as the home page. Then you will scroll down and you will click Save Changes. And here is a message, setting saved. Now I will return to the browser. So now you can see here are some options: customize, new, edit page, edit with Elementor and Ocean WP. These options are only visible to us, not to anyone else. So now I will click customize. Then you will scroll down and you will click top bar. Then you will click content. And here you will add your content. Like I am going to add my website's name, and then I will click it and I will scroll down till here, and from here I can choose text color. I will choose black. Then I will again click it, and now I will click header. Then from here you will just click logo. Then you will click select logo, and from here you will select the logo, and from here you can select, and here you can see my logo is being uploaded. Now I will simply select it. Then I will click select. Then I will click skip cropping. So you can see here is our logo, but it is very huge. For that you will simply scroll down, and from here you will adjust its max width as per your choice. Like I will choose this one or this one. Then I will scroll up and I will click here. Then you will again click it. Then you will click footer copyright, and you will scroll down, and from here you will remove this copyright text. And now if you want to add some text to this footer, so you can add, but I don't want to add any kind of text to this footer, so I will don't add it. So now I will scroll up and I will click it again. Then I will again scroll down, and from here I will click site identity. Then I will click select site icon, and you can choose the site icon from here. If you want to select any other from your PC or laptop, so you can simply click select files and you can select the icon, but I want to set this logo as the icon also, so I will simply select it and I will click select. Then I will click skip cropping. Here you can see our logo, or you can see our icon is being setted. Now from here you can change your website's tagline, or you can say you can change your website's description. So I want to change it, so I will simply remove my WordPress blog, and now I am going to add my description, and here I add my website's tagline. Now I will simply click it, and now you will simply click publish button, and now it is saying published. Now I will simply close the browser. Then I will go to pages and I will click all pages. Then you will come here and you will click edit with Elementor, and here you can see the settings we apply are applied. So guys, in today's video I tell you that what are some important settings to do in WordPress. So now we will meet in next video, inshallah. Thanks for watching.